then me using all the leftover ride of parenthood.
Don't eat my lunch!
You said you were all done.
I'm going to do a kid's hairstyle on myself. Hear me out. 9 times out of 10, it inspires your little one to do it. Really works with teeth brushing as well. I'm really trying so hard to make this cute so my daughter's inspired. The things we do as a parent, I really hope my daughter thinks this hairstyle is cute. Happy Monday. Let's vlog today because I finally feel like after a few months I'm coming out of my like down negative spell. I had some things going on, and also I don't know, I should have been focusing on the positive that you're thankful for and that bring you joy, and I have not been doing that, but I'm feeling better. I'm feeling better. My daughter is at school right now, but what I gotta do right now is make little gift bags for her teachers because she's actually moving to another classroom. She like aged out of this. I was so shocked. I was like, wait, she's already moving? I don't know about you, but I feel like time is truly flying by. I feel like we just started preschool, and after this next class, like, we have to start looking into kindergarten, and it's just, it's blowing my mind. I'll show you the little gift bags my daughter and I put together. So I tried to keep them the same for each teacher. There's 2 teachers in our class. We did a little mascara set from Too Faced, and then I got this, it was like a 3 palette set, and then I just pulled apart the set. Gift bag number 1, I am like the laziest, I don't wrap, I'm the laziest, not present giver, but present presenter. They're giving trash bags, and then I just have black twine that I'm gonna tie these shut with, and I'll make a bow. It'll be cute. It's cute, right? It's giving something. The other gift bag, again, is pretty similar. It's another mascara, lip injection, and then another little palette. Yeah, that's as good as my gift wrapping is going to get. This was project 1 I needed to definitely get done because I feel like if I didn't start with it, my mom brain was gonna forget it because I was technically gonna do this yesterday and I forgot. Next on my agenda today, we need to go to the grocery store. I have pretty much nothing. I have my family coming in town this weekend for probably like a day and a half because it's my daughter's first dance recital, and I'm so interested to see how it goes. My daughter, I feel like will either go either way. She'll love being on stage or she's just not gonna move. Either way, I think it's gonna be such a beautiful moment to share with family and celebrate, but I'm gonna need food in the home for this weekend to entertain them. I'm debating on if I do Trader Joe's or if I should just go to Ralph's. There's just some things you can only get at Trader Joe's, so I think we should do that. Oh my god. Hey, the wind is winding today.
Let me weep before I go. Oh, the price I will pay, blaming myself all night. Leave no part of me unscathed when you rip me. Blow smoke into every little cell. If you won't take what you want from me, I'll be torn, but you won't tell.
Do a kid's hairstyle on myself. Hear me out, okay? This is my hack. My daughter will not let me do her hair, and so my trick for anything, if I can't get my daughter to do it, is to do it myself. And like 9 times out of 10, it inspires your little one to do it. Really works with teeth brushing as well. So I'm gonna pick her up from school with Space Bun. While I do my hair, I want to talk about today's sponsor, who is BetterHelp. I have worked with them for a very long time and I've used them for almost 2 years now. I find that BetterHelp works in my life because everything's virtual. You can do a phone call, you can do text chat, you can do video call, whatever works for you. To get matched with a licensed therapist, you just do a questionnaire, and in most cases you can get matched with a licensed therapist in 48 hours. If for whatever reason you do not vibe with your therapist, you can switch and no questions asked, and that's without stressing about the cost of insurance or if they're in network. I will have a code down below. It is just betterhelp.com as in HELP/Baylin to get 10% off your first month. If you've been wanting to do therapy from the comfort of your own home, now is your time. Link down below. And now I am left with pigtails. Is this kind of cute? Should I do this? Wait, see the back? Is it cute? Or should I was gonna do like little space buns. I feel like I look ridiculous. I really hope this inspires my daughter to let me do her hair because it's getting so long now, and she hates it. Like, she'll let me do it and then she'll be like, it's so uncomfy, and pull it out. Which I think I kind of was like that at her age. But I'm really trying so hard to make this cute so my daughter's inspired. The things we do as a parent, I really hope my daughter thinks this hairstyle is cute. I tried so hard. And I straight up have the same hair as my daughter right now, like the same length. She has like the bangs like super in her face. We're both trying to grow them out. But this, she could wear this. So if she likes it, that would be the biggest mom win ever. I'm just saying. Just like that, it is time to go pick up the little one. I get a lot of questions on these kind of UGG slides because a lot of people say they are uncomfortable at first. And to that, I would say like the ones that have the Sherpa on it were uncomfortable. I actually got those and returned them. They do run small, but they do stretch out. So they are comfy after like 3 wears, but I do highly recommend this version. The Sherpa one, they were a lot more uncomfortable. And you know what I didn't forget? The gifts we made earlier. I'm a mess, but we remember the gifts. This is for the girls at the front, by the way. I didn't even show it, but yeah, everyone gets a little gift. Can't wait to listen to Baby Shark for 30 minutes. We made it to school, and I wanted to note something that I think is so funny, and I notice it every time for pickup. It doesn't happen at drop-off, but I see like all the parents parked in their cars just mentally preparing themselves for like 5 to 10 minutes. Like sometimes I'll come early to do emails on my phone or, you know, make a phone call before I pick up my little one. But like I see some parents just like for like 5-10 minutes, we're all just in here just like a community of like preparing ourselves. It's so funny. If you are in preschool daycare life, do you notice this, or is this like just happening at my school? I can't imagine that it's like a one-off type thing. It sounds awful, but like I feel the support. I feel the solidarity.
Arrow.
How do you spell arrow? A R R O
W.
W. Good job. Look, I made your bed all nice. Do you love it? I'll show you where your present is. Open it all the way. All new snacks. Do you love it?
Yeah.
Yeah? What are you gonna pick? This is the winner? This one? Did you have a yummy lunch? Yeah. For dinner? I thought we could do a sushi night. You want sushi? Or do you want pasta?
Pasta.
You want pasta? Okay. Would you like this opened?
Mhm.
Can you say open, please?
Open. Open.
I'm gonna open it. Just say open, please. I'm gonna clean your dishes.
Oh dear.
You want me to open it over there? Okay, give mommy just a second. She's just gonna clean this, okay? Well, these were a hit. You want to open? Oh.
Open or I say open.
Open over here. Whole Foods made dinner for us tonight. This is so good. It has like broccoli, chicken, fettuccine alfredo. You can't lose. Ow! Ah, you can lose. Good thing as a mom, I'm prepared with Band-Aids. Some Elsa Band-Aids. A little side of berries. Home cooked meal. There we go, a very easy meal. I'm coming, baby. She's building a tower right now. Dun, dun, dun. Wow, it's beautiful. Castle? Oh, what a surprise. Who is that?
It's a present.
It's a present? Can I have? Oh, no. It's coming. It's coming. There you go. And berries coming your way. There you go, baby. Haven't done one of these in a while, but here is what was eaten. Obviously, a big hit. I'm telling you, never fails. And then me eating all the leftovers. What's going on? Rite of parenthood.
Don't eat my lunch.
You said you were all done.
Don't eat my lunch.
You were gonna eat more?
Boo-boo.
Hey, are you putting it in the dishwasher? Okay, well let's throw away the noodles. I won't eat it. What are you looking for? You want a color? You want that one? Hey, where are your underwear?
Let me weep before I go. Oh, the price I will pay. Blaming myself for night. I accept what is. I let go of what was. And I have faith in what will be. In 100 years or so, where you let go, I will mourn, but you won't tell. A woman's design is divine. No need to hold hands. One step right and one step left. With you all on my toes. Don't mind me, you can stay just as happy. I promise you won't tell.